All right, Andrea, I want to run through this really quickly. This is how I grade. Okay, I'm going to go into full grade center. I'm going to find, like, for example, if I were doing this, I would probably start from the top here, but we're going to go with Lauren Daniels. I click this drop down. I'm going to go to the attempt. All right, so I can scroll through her entire paper right here. Some of the things that jump out at me just as I'm running through them are potentially some, you probably see them, some APA errors. Also just this page break, some formatting stuff. I'm not even looking at content, okay? So then what I'm going to do, so I'm going to go through, I'm going to just glance at everything. Then I'm going to go to this rubric, okay? So see how I did that? I just popped that down. I went to the rubric. I'm going to go through, I'm going to grade. I can put whatever I want. I have a whole range all the way through. Okay, some people put comments right here in feedback. That's one option. So you could do it right here, you know, and put comments, comments, comments. Sometimes during the discussion boards, I say things like, you must have at least 2 replies. You know, it's like, why did I give you that grade? I'm going to tell you. I do not use this box down here, feedback to learner. They have trouble finding those comments. Okay, normally I'd press save, but I won't. I'll press exit. Then I write something here. If you haven't put a ton of comments into the rubric, then I would take the space here to give your comments here, or you can say, please see the rubric for comments to make sure that they go and check it, if they care. Some of them do, some of them don't. All right, I think that answers your question. And then as soon as you're done with this one and you've pressed submit and you see that grade, you just pop over to the next one. All right. Okay, let me know if that helps.